we are going to teach factor बताने जा रहा हूं आपको फैक्टर. व्हाट विल बी फैक्टर? फैक्टर क्या होता है देखते हैं इसको. जैसे हमने कह दिया आपसे 8. व्हाट विल बी फैक्टर ऑफ 8? दिस इज द फैक्टर 2 into 2 into 2. दिस इज द फैक्टर ऑफ 8. दिस इज द फैक्टर ऑफ 8. हमने कहा व्हाट विल बी फैक्टर ऑफ 64? तो आपने कहा 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, this will be equal to 2 power 6. This is the factor of 64. What will be factor of 24? आपने कहा 2 into 2 into 2, 2 2 जा 4, 2 जा 8, 3 जा 24. This is the factor of 24. 2x power 4. What will be factor of this? 2 into x into x into x into x. This is the factor of 2x power 4. Now, some formulas. Now, with the help of some formula, we can factorize any expression. किसी भी expressions को आप by formula factor कर सकते हैं. This is the first formula is, first is a plus b का whole square. This will be equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. And the second formula is a minus b का whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. And the third formula is a square minus b square is equal to 1 bracket a plus b, another bracket a minus b. And the fourth is a cube plus b cube. This will be equal to 1 bracket a plus b, another bracket a square plus b square minus ab. And the fifth formula is a cube minus b cube. This will be equal to 1 bracket a minus b, other bracket a square plus b square plus ab. And the sixth formula is x plus a into x plus b. This is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. This is a basic formula of the factors. And a plus b का whole cube. This will be equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. And a minus b का whole cube बराबर a cube minus a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. This is the basic formula of the factors 7 and 8. And the ninth a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus thrice abc. This will be equal to 1 bracket a plus b plus c, and the other bracket a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c. This is the most important formula of the factors. If, note it, if what will be x plus 2 का whole square? What will be x plus 2 का whole square? We know that a plus b का whole square, this will be equal to a square plus b square plus twice ab. This is x plus 2 का whole square. X is a and 2 is b. It means a plus b का whole square. A square means A is the place of x, this means x square plus b square, b is in place of 2 square plus 2ab, 2 into a means x, 2 means b. This will be equal to x square plus 4 plus 4x. This is the answer. Note this type's questions. If what will be 2x minus 3 का whole square? What will be factor of 2x minus 3 का whole square? We know that a minus b का whole square, this will be equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. This is the a is the place of a and 3 is the place of b. This is the same a minus b का whole square. 2x is a यानी a square यानी 2x का whole square plus 3 का whole square minus 2ab, 2 into a means 2x, b means 3. It means 2x का whole square, it means 4x square, 3 का square 9 minus 2 to 4, 3 12x. This is your answer. If what will be factor of x square minus 9? This is the type of x का whole square and 3 का whole square. This type is a square minus b square. What will be equal to 1 bracket a plus b, another bracket a minus b. This is the a square minus 3 का square. यहाँ क्या है? यहाँ देखिए x की जगह पर क्या है a, 3 की जगह पर क्या है b. यहाँ a square minus b square. क्या फार्मूला है? 1 bracket a plus b, another bracket a minus b. a की जगह पर क्या है x plus 3 and x minus 3. This is the तो फर्स्ट टाइप बताया था, सेकेंड टाइप, थर्ड टाइप एंड फोर्थ टाइप देखिए. इफ (125x³ minus 343 what will be factor of this expression? What will be factor of this expression? This is in the form of 5x का whole cube minus 7 का whole cube. This is the types of a cube minus b cube. a cube minus b cube, what will be equal to a cube? नहीं, 1 bracket a minus b, another bracket a square plus b square plus ab. 5x minus 7 का whole cube, 5x a, 7 is b. This is 5x a minus b minus 7 and a square means 5x का whole square plus b square means 7 का whole square plus ab means 5x is a and b is 7 into 7. This is 5x minus 7, 25x square plus 49 plus 35x. This is the answer. That's all.